I found an old typewriter at a yard sale, its keys worn but inviting. My curiosity got the better of me, and I took it home. That night, I typed a simple sentence: "Tomorrow, I'll get a promotion." The next day, it happened. Excited, I typed more: "Money, love, success." Everything came true, but with a dark twist. My boss was found dead, and I got his job. My new love interest was in a car accident, making them dependent on me. I tried to stop, but the typewriter wouldn't let me. It seemed to possess a will of its own. Desperate to undo the damage, I typed, "I wish I'd never found this typewriter." The world around me began to warp, and I felt my existence fading. Just as everything went black, I saw a new line appear on the typewriter: "A new victim has been chosen." The next morning, a stranger knocked on my door, holding the typewriter I'd just tried to escape.